Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 Honda TRX250X Sport Quad. 5-speed transmission, beautiful condition. This thing is shaft drive, so there's no chain to mess with. Just go out and have fun. Electric start, shaft drive. Perfect shape, only has about 1 to 2 hours on it. Price to sell quick, just $47.99. Save hundreds over the price of new. Come on by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.